friends, this is Gautam Adarsh. Now we are going to see some other problems from NTSC 2020 paper stage 1. Okay. Sixth question, at the time of marriage, a man was 6 years older than his wife. 6 years older than his wife. But after 12 years of marriage, his age was 6 by 5 times the age of his wife. Their ages at the time of marriage was how much? Okay. First, given, let man age is X, woman age is Y. Years, it is in years, okay? X years and Y years, okay? Given, man age will be Y plus, that is woman age plus 6 years older at the time of marriage. Let this be equation number 1. Equation number 1, okay? Now let's take second one, okay? Let's continue it. But after 12 years of marriage, his age was 6 by 5 times the age of his wife at that time, okay? Their ages at the time of marriage was given X plus 12. Why I am taking plus 12? Because after 12 years, after means plus, 12 years means after 12 years, that is X plus 2 is 6 by 5 times of Y plus 12. Y plus 12 nothing but after 12 years, the age of woman is Y plus 12. Okay, solving this. Send by 5 to LHS 5x plus 5 12 are 60 and 6 of Y plus 12, that is 6y plus 6 into 12 is 72. Okay. Send this 6y plus 72 to LHS. 5x plus 60 minus 6y minus 72 is equals to 0. 5x minus 6y plus 60 minus 72 is minus 12 is equals to 0. Let this be equation number 2. Substitute 1 into, that is x is equal, substitute y plus 6 at the place of x, okay? Now this will become 5 of x is y plus 6 minus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0, okay? 5y plus 6 5s are 30 minus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0. Now 5y minus 6y is minus 5. 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 is 18. Okay, plus 18 is equals to 0. Now send this minus y to RHS. 0 plus y is y. 18 is equals to y. So y is nothing but woman age. So age of woman at the time of marriage is 18. Now find the age of man. Okay, find the age of man. Given x is man age is x, that is y plus 6. X is equals to y is nothing, y plus 6, that is y is nothing but 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. So man age is 24 years and woman age is 18 years at the time of marriage. Okay. Next, 7th question. If we throw a dice, what is the probability of obtaining a result that is less than 4? Remember, this is very important one. Less than 4. If we know that the outcome is an even number, given the outcome is even number and less than 4. Now, total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is how much? See, given the outcomes are less than 4. See, in the dice, less than 4 is nothing but 3, 2, 1. Okay. Favorable outcomes. Given here, outcome is even number. We know that outcome is even number. Even number. Out of these 3, the even numbers. See, the condition is here. The result should be less than 4. Result is less than 4 and an even number. So the outcome will be from these 3 the even number. The even number is only 2. So favorable outcome is 2 only. Now total number of outcomes is, that is 3. Total number of favorable probability is favorable outcomes by number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 1 and number of outcomes are 3. So the probability is 3. Okay. The probability is 3. Probability is 1 by 3. Now, let's see 8th problem. If 10 minus 3 is equals to 12, 10 minus 3 is equals to 12, 12 minus 4 is equals to 13, 14 minus 5 is equals to 14, 16 minus 6 is how much? Okay, 10 minus 3 is equals to 12. See, we get this as 10 minus 3 plus 5. 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 we will get 12. Okay. Next, let's take second one. 12 minus 4 is equals to 13. We'll get this as 12 minus 4 is 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. Next, 14 minus 5 is equals to 14. Okay, to 14 minus 5 plus 5 will be equals to 14. Then 60. See here, when we see here, always we are adding plus 5 to the LHS. So, in this case also add plus 5 to the LHS. 16 minus 6 plus 5 equals to 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So, the answer will be 15. Next, 9th one. If 40% of 1620, that is 1620 plus 30% of 960 is equals to x percent, let's call this as x, okay, x percent of 5200, then the value of x or this question mark is how much? 40% of 162 of 1620 plus 30% of 960 is equals to x percent of 5200, okay, 520. Now this will be equals to 40 by 100 into 1620 plus 30 by 100 into 960 is equals to x by 100 into 5200. Okay, 0 0 and 0 0 cancels here also, and here 2 zeros will be cancelled. Here 4 into 162 plus 3 into 96 is equals to 52x. Okay, now 4 into 162 into 4 will be equals to 4 to the 8, 6 4 is 24, 4 was 4, 5 6, 648 plus 3 into 96. Okay, 96 3s are 6 3s are 18, 9 0 27, 28, 288 is equals to, by 52 is equals to x. 648 plus 288, 88 16, 8 9 plus 4 is 13, 6 plus 3 is 9 by 52 is equals to x. 52 1 the 52 and 40 41 will be remainder, 416 and 3 416 by 52. Okay, 52 8 8s are 416. So 52 8s are 416. X will be 18. So 18% of 5200 will be equals to 40% of 1622 plus 30% of 962. In coming videos like this, we will be discussing many problems. Thank you.